Hello, family. Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, if you're a new person, I say aqua back to you. Okay, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, don't leave the channel without liking. Okay, and give a sister a thumbs up. Okay, today we are preparing chicken light soup. Okay, you know how this goes, especially when it is Sunday afternoon. So you are warmly welcome, and if you are old subscriber too, thank you very much for coming back. This chicken light soup is very tasty and very delicious. Okay, so stay tuned and enjoy. So with this recipe, I'm going to use one full chicken here that I've already washed and cut, and I just roasted it just a little on my stove top just to get some of the hair from it. Yeah, and I also have some tomatoes here, fresh tomatoes, okay, that I'm going to use, and some garden eggs, and some pepper, hot pepper here that I'm going to use, and also some salt to taste. And I also have some tomato paste or tomato puree here that I'm going to also add to it. Okay, and this is also some onions that have been cut, and I have a lot of garlic here, which is optional, but I love garlic in my soup, especially chicken soup. And these are the spices I'm going to use. I have some turmeric, some curry powder there, I have some paprika, and also some Italian spices, some Moroccan spices in there. Okay, all these spices are optional. Use the spices that you are comfortable to use with, okay, and you will be okay. So we are now, I'm putting on fire my garden eggs, okay, and my pepper, and also the tomatoes. Okay, we're going to just put on fire for about 5 minutes and it will be done. Okay, so I'm adding about 1.5 water to this, and it will go straight to the fire. Okay, I love this chicken soup. I love it very much because it is very delicious, and you know, I omitted some of the spices. I didn't add cloves to it, I didn't add any star anise to it. You can see I just tested for my garden eggs to see whether they are cooked, yeah, and they are soft. So I'm just taking it off fire, and this is going to the blend. The reason why I didn't add those spices to it is that if you want to add those spices to it, it is okay, but you have to add it in very minimum, because if not, it will just darken your soup a little, and I didn't want that to look now. Okay, so I'm just going to blend everything here, and I'll just add the sauce from my vegetables to just blend them with it. Okay, although they are hot, but my blender can um afford it. So I'm just adding, yeah, a little bit of the sauce to it to blend all together. It's much more nutritious that way. So whilst I'm blending my veggies, I'm just going to start with the preparation of the soup here. So I'm just putting in my meats, my chicken meat here, you can see, and I'm just going to add my onions to it and all the other spices to it. So I'm just adding a batch of onions, the onions all to your taste. Okay, yeah, I love onions, and I love garlic also. I love a lot of garlic. This garlic, I decided not to blend it with the onions because I just wanted to have the taste of it. At times when you blend it with the onions, it seems the onions overshadow the garlic taste. So I just grated it. So I'm just adding all my spices to it. Okay, and as I said, that the spices, depending on the look or the color of your soup, okay, you have to choose the spices that you're going to use. Okay, so I'm just adding about 1 cup of water to this, and this one is also going straight to the stove now. Okay, so I'm just turning everything to make sure that our spices get into the meat well. Okay, so on Sunday afternoon like this, preparing this soup with your fufu, it's amazing. Okay, and I also prepared the fufu. I have the video of the fufu. I'll also share the video online so that you see how I made that simple fufu that you saw in this video. This is also amazing. Okay, it was also simple to prepare. So you can see my chicken has been on fire for about 7 minutes now. So it's, you know, you can see it's cooking very well. Yeah, so the spices is now into my chicken. So now is the next phase of everything. Okay, so now I'm going to just add my blended tomatoes and the veggies. Okay, the ones that I blended, that I've just added to it, and I'm adding my tomato paste to it, or my tomato puree to it. Okay, I'm just adding everything. You can see, if you can now witness the color of it, because I did not want the dark. I didn't want my chicken soup to be dark, so that's why I said that I do not add any spices that will darken the soup. Okay, so I've just added about 1 cup or more than 1 cup of water to it, depending on the size of your pot. You can see my pot was big enough. My meat was also a lot. That's why I added it like that. So for now, this is all to the soup now. So now, because everything that you need to add to the soup is already in it, so we're going to allow this soup to boil for about 30 minutes on a medium or on a low heat like this, and it will take a time to cook. Look at it, beautiful. Okay, just look at this. This is all that you need to do, and I bet you this is a crowd pleasing soup. Okay, chicken soup. This is very, very tasty and very, very easy to prepare. So thank you very much and very much for coming to watch this video. Please, if you like what you are seeing, just give us a thumbs up, and please share the video. Okay, share the video so you can see. Look at this. Look at my fufu. Okay, you are invited, but okay, also give it a try and leave us a comment below. Also click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first person to be notified of the video. Okay, so that you can also watch and also share the video, and also give us encouraging messages. Okay, I thank you all very much for all your support and your encouragement. I appreciate it a lot. I thank you very much. This is one of the dishes that I love, and I'm very happy to share it with you all. Okay, you can also share with me how you also prepare yours. Okay, thank you very much, and see you later, and bye for now.